start. Amrita ji,
Sir.
can you please tell briefly about yourself?
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Amrita Arun. I'm from Palakkad district in Kerala. I did my schooling from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, and after that I pursued BSc Honours Agriculture from College of Agriculture, Vellanikara, Kerala Agriculture University, and passed out in the year 2022. After that, I attended campus placement drive by Federal Bank and got placed in Federal Bank in August of 2022. And since August 17, I'm working in Federal Bank. My hobbies include listening to classical music, and I'm passionate about music, and I'm a trained classical musician and have been learning classical music for the last 17 years. My family includes my family includes my father, my mother, and my sister. Sir.
Good. So you joined Federal Bank as a clerk?
Yes, sir.
Or officer? Clerk?
Clerk, sir.
Achha, why they took a BSc agriculture people for a clerk? And now they are calling for officer post. Very interesting.
Sir, actually,
yeah.
When they were coming for campus placement, there was no opening for agriculture graduates.
Acha, acha. Maybe
in
that
the
is
bank.
not
So
only
recently
that,
RBI policy came. So
no. There they have a rule that normally they take in campus recruitment graduates for clerical grade.
Sir.
Only postgraduates for officer grade. Doesn't matter. Here only they are taking BSc agriculture for agriculture. What is the reason you said some RBI instruction has come? What is it?
Sir, recently some RBI instruction said that every bank should need this much amount of agriculture officer who are from proper agriculture background. So
oh, that is the reason. Acha, acha. Now, which branch are you working, Amrita?
Todupuzha West branch.
Pardon?
Todupuzha West branch in Kerala.
I know. Whatever name you are going to say, I'm not going to understand. Todupuzha. Todupuzha, where is Todupuzha? Where is it?
It is in Idukki district.
Idukki district. You are also native of Idukki district?
No, Palakkad district, sir.
Acha, a girl from Palakkad now working in Idukki?
Yes, sir.
Now you have come to Palakkad for the holidays or something like that?
No, sir, I'll go tonight.
Acha, good. Oh, very nice. So now you are, how many people are working in your branch?
Including me, 6, sir.
Including you, 6. That means manager, how many officers?
Currently, there are 2 officers, 3 clerks, and 1 senior manager.
Very good. Now, can you tell me what is the total business position of your branch?
Sir, it is 250 crores, sir.
250 crores, such a big branch.
Sir, it's an urban kind of branch.
Oh, great. So, what are the major deposits you have? Fixed deposit or NRE deposits, or which type of deposits are more in your
The major
branch?
volume of deposits is current accounts and NRE deposits.
NRE deposits, acha.
NRE deposits and current accounts.
Yeah. When did you join Federal Bank?
August 17th.
August 17th. Since then, have you joined Indian Institute of Bankers for studying JAB? No.
No, sir. After probation.
I know.
Yeah.
Why after probation? You could have joined even before that. Doesn't matter.
Oh, sir.
Now, please tell me what is the nature of work you are doing in Federal Bank.
Sir, currently I'm sitting in some 2 sections. I've handled sub-cash. For one day I've handled main cash section, and currently I'm sitting in gold section. So the major volume of work I'm doing is I'm taking gold from people for pledging the gold, opening accounts through web-based opening application, then ADDA updation, PAN card updation, KYC updation, mobile number change, mobile number updation.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. So that means if anybody wants gold loan, they can come to you directly and you will give gold loan immediately, or
No,
what is
sir.
the
No, sir.
procedure? No, sir.
Before coming for gold loan, there are many schemes in gold loan. So first of all, we have to know for what purpose they are coming. If they're coming for agriculture, there are some specific schemes which are catered to agriculture. And if they're not coming for agriculture, the schemes are different. So first of all, we'll ask them what is the need of, what is their purpose. If they're telling that they're needing, I mean, they want the loan for agriculture purpose, we'll tell them the variety of schemes that they are having. So if they produce the tax certificate, that their tax certificate and confirm that they're doing particular form of agriculture in their field, we'll give them 4% loan, that is interest subvention can be provided. So for that, they have to give us proof that they are cultivating for example, if they are growing rubber, we can give 3 lakhs per hectare. And if they are growing banana, we can give 5 lakhs per hectare. So it depends upon the crop they are cultivating. And here the interest rate is very low because 9% interest rate, and there will be subsidy of 5%, that is 2% plus 3%. If they are not having this tax exemption certificate, we can give loan up to 1 lakh. For KCC, that is 4%, we can give only from 1.6 lakhs to 3 lakhs. If it is below that, we'll go for KGL 9.49, where the interest rate is 9.49%.
Something you said, some tax exemption certificate. I have not heard like that. What is that?
No tax exemption certificate, the tax receipt.
You are asking tax receipt because you told
Receipt,
me
sir.
tax exemption certificate. That's why I am confused. No
Tax
problem.
receipt, sir.
Very good, very good. Tax receipt means tax on the land or
Agriculture
what?
land.
Agriculture
land.
What is the tax basis? What is the rate of tax charged? Any idea?
No, sir. It is charged by the revenue department.
Or the municipality?
No, sir. Revenue department.
Please check up about that. I am not sure about it because I have not served in a rural area. I don't know, and I don't have any agricultural land also. Please check it up. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Very good. Very good. So Amrita, can you tell me famous people with the name Amrita?
Sir, Amrita.
Amrita. What is the
there is
meaning of
Amrita Anandamai.
Amrita Anandamai. Yeah. Our that Amma.
Yeah, Amrita Anandamai.
Yeah, famous engineering colleges, medical colleges, so many colleges are there.
Yes,
Amrita Anandamai. Yeah, I did not remember about that madam, but then there must be some other people also. Please get to know some names, famous people with this name.
Okay, sir.
So I think you must have had interview even for clerical grade. So
yes,
what type of questions did they ask you?
That was not based on agriculture, so that was purely banking.
Achha, they asked only banking questions?
And some personal things, like I said I was passionate about music, and so they asked about music.
Achha, did they ask you to sing?
No, sir.
Can you try singing for half a minute for us? Let us see whether you are.
So you want classical or any other thing?
Classical.
Okay, sir. I'll try, sir. எப்போ வருவாரோ எந்தன் களி தீர எப்போ வருவாரோ எந்தன் களி தீர எப்போ வருவாரோ எந்தன் களி தீர.
Fine. Good. Achha, is a Tamil song, na?
Yes, sir.
Super. You sang very well, but of course, almost majority of the Malayalam boys and girls, they are very good in singing. And yeah, because it seems God would have put some honey into the mouth of those children, so that because I am seeing from this, what is that TV channels, what are the famous TV channels in Malayalam?
Asianet.
Asianet. Then Kate. There is another one starting. Surya. Another one starting with say K.
Okay.
No,
Kiran, but Kiran,
no. There is some other 1 minute. I will tell you. It's a very famous one I used to watch. They also used to have a
Kairali.
ah correct famous Malayalam TV channels. Now our Google uncle will tell us Z Keralam Malayalam, Flowers Surya TV, then Maravil Manorama. No, but I think Kairali is a
Uh,
TV, That's very good. Nice. Now, why should we select you, Amrita? Because you are already
but
working in my bank as a clerk. Why should I give you post as an agriculture officer? You are already working. Continue to work. Why should I give you? Just joking. Don't take it seriously.
sir,
Ah, but one thing, did you take, was the application routed sent through your branch or was
no,
it
no, no. I sent it
not required?
personally, sir.
Not required? Was it not required?
Just work experience is required.
Acha, acha. You have got work experience certificate?
Yeah.
Very good, very good. Acha ji, now please answer this question. Why should I select you?
Sir, currently I'm working in Federal Bank, but since this role needs an agriculture graduate and I'm an agriculture graduate, I think I can give more to this role as I mean more than what I'm giving now to the bank. I'll be able to I'll be able to do much more because I've learned agriculture and this is my area of work. So if you take me as an agriculture officer, I I'm sure that I'll be able to do much more to the bank than now.
Good. What do you think will be the job role of an agricultural officer?
Um, the major job role will be to assess the agricultural land of the people who are coming and asking for the role, um, and then providing loans after the pre-inspection. Then there is customer acquisition, business survey will be there. Um, since this is a bank which is based on fee income and all, so para banking income will also be one of the factors. Then there will be liaison with the senior officers and other peers of the branch. Then complying to the audit norms, quality norms, and standard norms of the bank. Then retail operations of the bank should also be understood.
Very good.
Giving
Excellent.
financial solutions to the bankers.
Yeah. You told very nicely. Correct. All those things are correct. Now, in your present assignment, do you have targets for reaching parabanking
No, sir.
targets? No. Clerical
Not
staff,
currently, sir.
so they are
No,
not
sir.
given. You're lucky,
No.
exempted. Good. Lucky. So, do you assist the branch manager in improving the deposit of your branch, or there is no need because already you are having so much deposits?
No,
Yeah.
sir. We all tell to people. Currently, there is a scheme that for fixed deposits we are providing 7.25% interest.
For senior citizen, how much
No,
interest
no.
do you pay?
For senior citizen, 7.75 is there.
Good. Why banks are
So
paying higher interest for senior citizens?
because they are what?
No, I also don't have an answer for this. The answer is it is as per the directives of Reserve Bank of India
Oh,
and also as a measure of helping the senior citizens because they depend on the interest income from the investments. Something like that you can say. Good. Very good. Can you please tell me what is a bearer check? What is an order check?
sir,
Very
bearer
simple.
check means bearer check is where the payment is made to the one who's bearing the check,
Mm.
and for an order check, it is a check where the one person or the one who's drawing the check can only withdraw the cash. On whose name the check is given, he can only withdraw the cash.
You
He
are
has to
not able
bring
to
an identity proof to encash the cash.
you are not able to explain properly. Order check is one where the check is issued pay so and so or order. Whereas a bearer check is one pay so and so or bearer. A bearer check, anybody can receive payment in respect of that check. Whereas in the case of ordered check, the person named in the check or the person to whom it has been endorsed can only receive payment. Not that what you don't know. You know it, but you are not able to explain it correctly. Doesn't matter. No problem. Now come to agriculture. Do
Yes.
you remember agriculture because you studied 6, 7 months back? Are you keeping
No,
in
sir.
touch with
3 months back. 3 months
are
back.
you keeping in touch with agriculture things and all?
Yes, sir. I remember.
Can you tell me the names of agriculture schemes introduced by Government of India?
Central government, you mean, sir?
Yeah. Or if you remember something special about Kerala government, I'll be too happy. First, tell
Sir,
me central government.
I'll start with central government schemes.
Yeah.
There is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana, which is for
Mm,
farmers between 18 to 40 years. That is
mm,
mainly for the welfare of small and marginal farmers to provide income for farmers
mm,
above 60 to 60 years.
mm,
Then there is PM Kisan Samman Nidhi.
mm,
Here, as a direct benefit transfer, an amount of rupees 6,000 will be annually credited to the farmer's account.
mm,
This is for providing income support to all the landholding farmers. Then there is micro
mm,
irrigation fund
mm,
for farmers who are taking up micro irrigation like drip irrigation,
mm,
sprinkler irrigation systems to expand their
mm,
irrigation facilities. Then there is
mm,
ENAM, that is the Electronic National Agriculture Marketing Portal, which is
mm,
to provide uniformity in agriculture markets. That is the whole markets, all the agriculture markets in the country will become a single market so that farmers
mm,
can market their produce anywhere.
mm,
Like through, they need not go to the specific markets and they can all integrate all the APMCs. The
mm,
major, the most important scheme is Kisan Credit Card, which
mm,
was launched in 1988.
mm,
So uh, here, one of the important factors is that the farmers will also be covered under personal accident insurance scheme up to rupees 50,000. No
mm,
collateral is required. The farmers can
mm,
purchase seeds, fertilizers, manuals, labor, etc. And after
mm,
harvest, that is after they get their income, they have to repay the money in full.
mm,
And another important thing is they need not submit another application, and for the next year they'll also get a 10% hike.
mm,
Then there is RKVY and the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana and
mm,
PKVY, Paramparagata Krishi Vikas Yojana, which are for promoting um, organic agriculture in certain parts of the country.
mm. Can you
Then
tell me
coming
about
to
Fasal Bima Yojana?
Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, or PMFBY, is an insurance scheme. Uh, is an insurance scheme which is provided by the government of India.
Mm,
That is basically a crop insurance scheme
mm.
um,
Where the
by the
interest
ministry.
pay, where the premium payment is very less, some
Premium
1.5, some
payment.
5 is very, you please
Ah,
get to know what is the premium payment. Some 1.5, the other one is some 5% something. Please, you have to know details about that. You get to know
okay,
that. Oh, very
okay.
good. You told nicely about majority of the schemes. I'm happy about that.
Yes.
Very good. Now, please tell me about the business position of Federal Bank as on September 2022.
Sir, as of September 2022, bank has reached its all-time highest um, business business. The business is more than 2 lakh crores.
Hmm.
Um,
You
then
are not
it has
studied.
grown like 15% in commercial banking,
Hmm.
and year
No,
over
no.
year growth has been 12%.
Have you studied properly or not? I have given you the material. What your bank gave me only, I have given you in the materials given to you.
Okay, sir. No, I didn't read this part. But
You are not studied it. You are not studied it. Just a minute. Hold on.
okay.
Hold on. Hold on. You are not studied it. And it is, of course, they may not ask you, but you must be in a position to, I am telling this for the sake of other candidates so
Okay,
that they will know what it is. I have been telling in almost many classes about this, and I don't remember, unfortunately, because I'm old. I permit myself to forget. Mm. But you youngsters, you cannot forget.
I'll
Yeah,
learn about it later.
yeah. One minute. I'll just show you that. Then
Okay.
balance is you can see it afterwards. Just a minute. 2 minutes. Mm, yeah, this is what it is. OneDriveLive.com. You'll get it here. This is the second quarter results. So if at all they ask you, you have to come out with the particulars, like the quarterly net profit was the highest at 704 crore.
Okay.
Then the GNPA, NNPA has been brought down to 2.46 and 0.78. Mr. Shyam Srinivasan is the managing director and CEO. You must be knowing something more than that also. Who is the chief marketing officer? Mr. MVS Murthy. Mr. MVS Murthy. Why I wanted to show you this, because you told wrongly business is 2 lakhs. It is wrong. Total
That is the
business of the
total
bank
business,
is
sir.
3,50,000
Oh, okay,
crores.
sir.
And deposits are 1,89,000 crore. Advances 1,64,000 crore. Then the net worth is 19,617 crore. CRA, or capital risk weighted asset ratio, is 13.84%. Like this, you must be able to tell about all these things nicely. Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you tell me about digital products of your bank?
Sir, yes, sir.
Mm.
Digital products of Federal Bank include first one is
No,
Petty Point.
why do you say Federal Bank? You should say digital products of our bank include, because you are working there.
Okay, sir.
See, if it is an outsider, he can say, even he should say the digital products of the bank, or because after all, you are taking interview, you assume yourself to be part and parcel of the system. Okay. Yeah, continue.
There is net banking portal. Then there is
Mm.
FedDBIS for business applications. Then there is FedD Remit, which is for outward remittances. Then there is FedD Point, which is for applying. The customer can apply online for debit cards, checkbooks, 15G, 15H, etc. Then there is Paylight portal. Digital loan can be provided through online account opening, which is called LOTZA, LOTSA.
LOTSA.
Then there is Fed Mobile, which is the most.
Yeah, this is what I was not knowing. Very good. Fed Mobile. I think you told
Fed
almost
Mobile
all.
is there.
Yeah.
FedNet is also there. Then for
what is difference between Fed Mobile and FedNet?
FedNet is for digital migrations, like for medium enterprises, private limited companies, small private limited companies, etc. While Fed Mobile is for individual users, not enterprises.
So what is MSME?
MSME is medium. Small and medium scale enterprises.
Do you know the definition of small medium enterprises?
It is micro, small, medium enterprises.
What is the definition?
A proper definition.
Micro means 1 crore investment, 5 crore turnover. Small means 10 crore investment, 50 crore turnover. Medium means 50 crore investment, 250 crore turnover, less than. Okay, that's right. Very good. So I can be going on asking like this for hours together, and you will also be answering. No problem. Now, what else should I ask you? See, can you tell me, today morning one candidate was telling about some hydroponics. What is that?
Hydroponics, sir. Hydroponics.
What is that? What is that?
Hydroponics is a type of horticulture. Like it is a subset of agriculture, wherein we are growing crops. Not all crops can be grown without the use of soil, but here crops can be grown without the use of soil by providing certain minerals into the water-based solutions. It is kind of an expensive setup compared to the traditional agriculture, because hydroponics need a separate kind of growth structure, because it is vulnerable to power shortages and all. There is a risk of waterborne diseases, but if we set up this, the yield and the profit that we get will be very high.
Who is considered as father of agriculture?
Father of it is any Burlog, Normani Burlog.
Correct. Are you seeing the screen on you? Or is the screen visible for you?
Sir, I can see your photo, sir.
That's all. No, I am seeing that page. That's why I'm asking. So Norman Ernest Borlaug was born in March 1914, died on 12th September 2009. He was an American agricultural scientist and humanitarian. He is considered to be the father of modern agriculture and father of the Green Revolution. But in
Green Revolution.
India, father of Green Revolution, who is considered as
MS
father of
Swaminathan.
Green? Very good. What is the full name of agriculture?
Sir, full name of?
Agriculture. The word agriculture is a late Middle English adaptation of Latin
Sir, I know
agricultura.
that, sir. Yes, sir. It means ager means field and cultura means cultivation.
Correct. Or growing. Ager
Okay.
means field and cultura means cultivation or growing. While agriculture usually refers to human activities, certain species of ants, termite, and beetle have been cultivating crops for up to 60 million years. Who did agriculture first? Which country people did agriculture first?
Sir, has to be Africa, I guess, sir.
Egyptians, correct.
Oh.
Egyptians, correct. Something like that. These things you can have if you search in Google India agriculture related interview questions. You will get
Okay.
lot of simple questions or silly questions like this, which I am sure some of the interviewers will be interested in asking. But of course, people who are going to come for your interview are those who are working as GM or so in your bank. So they will ask you more about your bank's related questions and personality related questions. What is your father?
My father is working in Kerala Forest Department.
Kerala?
Forest Department.
Police?
Forest.
Forest. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Forest Department. Is forest and agriculture interrelated or not? I don't know the answer, but you should only tell
no,
me.
Sir.
Ask your.
They can be made related, but they are two different streams of streams.
Excellent. Who is the forest minister in Kerala?
Forest Minister K. Raju.
Who is the agriculture minister in Kerala?
Sunil Kumar.
Very good. Who is the agriculture minister in central government?
I think it is Kailash Chaudhary. I'm not sure, sir. I'm not
Somebody
sure,
else?
sir. No, is it Narendra Singh Tomar?
Exactly. Narendra Singh Tomar. You must know the name of Narendra Singh Tomar and also MSME minister. Some Narayan Tatu Rane, something like that.
Okay.
All those central ministers list and all you get to know. Very good. You answered very well. I am happy. Your performance is good, but their expectation from you will be more because you are already their employee. Okay. I don't know if the question which they ask, agriculture, of course, I am giving a lot of links in the paid Telegram group. Please go through those questions and try to find your own questions and answer them. Very good. You did a good job. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Please attend. Which date is your interview?
19, sir.
19. Yeah. Please attend and send me the list of questions they are asking you.
Okay.
Thank you. You did a good job. Best wishes. Thank you. Balaji Bose. Which date is your interview, Balaji Bose?
Sir, 20th, sir.
Acha. Your mock interview time, have I given you? Which time I have given you? After that. Did I give you time? Yeah.
Sir, 19th 9 p.m. sir. But
very
today
good. Very good. No problem. Now
okay,
today is 17th only. Dharanidharan, your interview is today. Dharanidharan. I think Dharanidharan may be having interview today, or I think today only. Because what is your name? Amrita. Are they having interview on Saturday also? No, no idea. Amrita. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Are they having interview on Saturday? Today also they have interviews, no?
I don't know, sir.
I think so. I think so. Some people told me. Anyhow, thank you so much. Best wishes. We'll meet our evening class. Evening interviews will start at 4:30 p.m. because it will be 6 a.m. for me. I will get up and start doing it for you. Is the number 97883 available here? Nobody with that number. No?
I'm Balaji, sir. 9788.
That is your number.
Yes, sir.
Oh, acha, for your number only there was some confusion.
Okay, okay, sir.
97883. I think I made it. 1 minute. There was some confusion because too many. I think you received so many messages, no? Yeah. Sorry, 17 to 9 p.m. I told sorry, 17 to 5:20 evening. Today, 5:20 evening for you.
Okay, sir.
I
But
don't know.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, sir.
You want on 19th?
Yes, sir. But I not prepared well now. Now only I am preparing, sir. So that I only.
Then let us see on 19th, because I'm going to be in America from 18th evening, USA,
Okay, sir.
and the timing difference is reverse. Now
Okay.
you are behind me by 1.5 hours. But when I go there, you will be ahead of me by 1.5 hours
Okay, sir.
in terms of that. So, and if I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, for you, it will be 7:30 in the evening. So like
Okay.
that, it goes. Anyhow, I don't know. I will put your number 8:40. Did I send you 9 o'clock one message? 19th, did I send you a message? No. 19th, yeah. Okay, you wanted that time, na? Take care. You have it that way. You come 5-10 minutes
Okay.
earlier than that. We will
Okay,
see
sir.
on that day. I don't know what I am going to do that day. We will check it out.
Okay,
Because
sir.
that will be my first day in America this time.
Okay.
Anyway, thank you so much. We will see
Thank you, sir.
afterward. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now, Sanjana, are you there now?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, I think your presence during Amrita's interview would have helped you to some extent.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. No, so I never asked you question regarding that central government schemes and all. You also go through them and get to know about them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then get to know about Kisan credit card full details, gold loan full details, and all those things. Then what are the other agricultural development schemes banks give? You also get to know. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
We'll meet in the evening. Whenever you feel like coming you don't have to take permission. You can come, you can watch. Whenever you feel like, you can go. But utilize your balanced time for studying more about agriculture, more about statistics, more about economy, more about banking, more about current affairs relating to your state and center as a whole. Thank you. In fact,
Thank you, sir.
they may ask you about what is happening in Arunachal Pradesh. Sanjana, can you tell me what is happening in Arunachal Pradesh?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
You have to study newspaper or hear news.
The China Chinese border.
China people are struggling war. Chinese people wanted to enter into our side, and our people started beating them. They have gone back, something like that. So some scuffle, but now the situation is under control. You must know. They will ask you even such questions. Best wishes. Thank you. Bye.